Good morning, students. Welcome back to another session of JK. Students, today we will start next lesson number 6, books and authors. Now let us start question answer session. First question, complete the names of the authors or poets. First fill in the blanks. Dash Carroll. Answer is Lewis Carroll. Ludwig Dodson, better known by his pen name Lewis Carroll. He was an English writer of children fiction, notably Alice's Adventures in Wonderland and its sequel, Through the Looking Glass. He was noted for his facility at wordplay, logic, and fantasy. Next fill in the blank. Dash Naidu. Answer is Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was an Indian political activist and poet. A proponent of civil rights, women's emancipation, and anti imperialistic ideas, she was an important figure in India's struggle for independence from colonial rule. Sarojini Naidu's work as a poet earned her the sobriquet Nightingale of India by Mahatma Gandhi. Next fill in the blank. Dash Tagore. Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was Bengali poet, writer, music composer and painter from the Indian subcontinent. He reshaped Bengali literature and music as well as Indian art with contextual modernism in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Author of the profoundly sensitive, fresh and beautiful verse of Gitanjali. He became in 1913 the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature. Next fill in the blanks. Dash Austen. Answer is Jane Austen. Jane Austen was an English novelist known primarily for her 6 major novels, which interpret, critique, and comment upon the British landed gentry at the end of the 18th century. Austen's plots often explore the dependence of women on marriage in the pursuit of favorable social standing and economic security. Next fill in the blank. Dash Shakespeare. Answer is William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was an English playwright, poet, and actor, widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's greatest dramatist. He is often called England's national poet and the Bard of Avon. Next question. Answer the following questions. First question. Which was the book that made Jim Corbett famous? Answer is Man Eaters of Umon. It details the experiences that Corbett had in the Kumon region of India from the 1900s to the 1930s while hunting man-eating Bengal tigers and Indian leopards. One tiger, for example, was responsible for over 400 human being deaths. Second question. Who wrote the Meghdut? Answer is Kalidasa. It is considered to be one of the greatest Sanskrit poets. The Meghduta is the lament of an exiled Yaksha who is pining for his beloved on a lonely mountain peak. When, at the beginning of monsoon, a cloud perches on the peak, He asked it to deliver a message to his love in the Himalayan city of Alaka. Next question. Name the author of the classic book Around the World in 80 Days. Answer is Jules Verne. Around the World in 80 Days is an adventure novel by the French writer Jules Verne, first published in French in 1872. Next question. Which Indian poet wrote the song Sare Jahan Se Acha? Answer is Muhammad Iqbal. Sare Jahan Se Acha, formerly known as Tarhan-e-Hindi. It is an Urdu language patriotic song for children in the ghazal style of Urdu poetry. The song an ode to Hindustan, the land comprising present-day Bangladesh, India and Pakistan. The song has remained popular but only in India. An abridged version is sung and played frequently as a patriotic song and as a marching song of the Indian Armed Forces. The poem was published in the weekly journal Itihad on 16th August 1904. Now let us see fun fact. Agatha Christie is the top-selling English language author of all time. She wrote 78 mystery novels. Now students, we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.